All right, what kind of ice cream you getting, Augie Bear?
I want that one.
You getting this kind?
Yeah. I want that kind of.
So everybody's what is that called? Raspberry cheesecake?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Everybody's getting raspberry cheesecake?
Yeah.
So why is no one choosing caramel cookie crunch today?
I am. But I think it's because everyone else wants the new flavor that you got.
Yeah. Oh.
This is yours, Mom. Whenever you're ready to get it.
Mom.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. Whose bowl is this? Who's next?
I guess.
August is getting that?
Yeah.
Augie, you sure you want that kind?
Yeah.
Raspberry cheesecake?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like blue raspberry.
How many scoops are you getting, Augie Bear? Huh? How many? 1, 2, or 3? 1, 2, and 3?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
1, 2, 3.
This one's for AC Pooh.
Is this your bowl? Now, are you sure you want this? Because you always say you want stuff and then you really don't want it. Are you sure you want this kind?
Yeah.
Raspberry cheesecake.
Yes.
Okay.
I might probably.
This is kind of more than a scoop full.
But I'll take it. I'll still take it.
Okay, Ace, let's see if you're going to like it. Take a taste.
Okay.
Is it good? It is. Augie, you like it?